Number 261 of 1001 solve problems in engineering mathematics. So tungkol pa rin sa Venn diagram. Okay, so here's the problem. A toothpaste firm claims that in a survey of 54 people, they were using either Colgate, Happy, or Close-Up brand. The following statistics were found. 6 people use all 3 brands. 5 use only Happy and Close-Up. 18 use Happy or Close-Up. 2 use Happy. 2 use only Happy and Colgate. 1 use Close-Up and Colgate. And 20 use only Colgate. So ang question, is the survey worth paying for? Neither yes nor no, either yes or no, yes or no. So kailangan lang natin alamin kung accurate ba itong survey na ito. Okay, so before we start, so gusto ko lang munang i-promote. So ako po ay licensed financial advisor. Sa mga gusto pong kumuha ng life insurance, i-PM nyo lang po ako. So habang mas bata po, mas mura. Okay? So, ayan, sagutan na natin ang problem. Gawa lang tayo ng Venn diagram. So tatlo yung variable natin dito. Ayan, so close up, Colgate, and Happy. So mag-drawing tayo ng tatlong circle. So itong una ay para sa, ayan, so intersecting circle. So lagyan lang natin ito ng label. So una, Colgate. Itong pangalawa, close up. Ayan, see you na lang. And then Happy, itong isa. Okay, so 54 people daw yung total. Okay, so they were using, ayan, the following statistics were found. 6 people use all 3 brands. So yung una, 3 brands, walang preference ito. So ibig sabihin, ilalagay natin yan dito. Ayan, dito sa itong intersection ng tatlo. Okay, so lagay natin dito yung 6. Then pangalawa, 5 used only Happy and Close Up. Yun, so kailangan importante dito yung only tsaka yung end. Okay? So Happy and Close Up, ibig sabihin nun, tapos may only, ito yung part na yon. Okay? So Close Up and Happy only. So dito natin sa part na ito ilalagay. Gawa nung word na end tsaka yung only. So lagay natin dito yung 5. Okay, so next, 18 use Happy or Close Up. So dito sa part na ito, medyo malabo ito kasi walang nakalagay na only. 18 use Happy or Close Up. So mamaya natin sagutan ito. Kasi dalawang pwedeng possibilities dito eh. So kapag or lang, Happy or Close Up, ito yung part na yan. Wala kasing nakalagay kung only. So Happy or Close Up, ito yung part na yan, pati itong kabila. Happy or Close Up. Okay? So yan yan. So hindi pa natin malalagyan kasi wala pang laman yung mga ibang area na yan. So obrahin muna natin. Yan. So yan yung shaded part na yan. So lampasan muna natin yan. Okay? So next we have to use Happy. Yan, kagaya na naman nito. Use Happy. Walang nakalagay na only. Pero i-assume natin na ibig sabihin yan may only kasi imposible na mga happy lang yan kasi yung happy, kapag happy kasi ito yung part na yan, ito yung buong happy. Eh kaso meron na ditong 6 at 5. So siguro meron niyang only. Okay? May only siguro yan, happy only. So ilalagay natin dito. So ito yung happy only, itong part na yan. So diyan natin ilalagay yung 2. Okay? So next we have to use only. Ayun, meron ulit only Happy and Colgate. So importante yung only tsaka yung end. Happy and Colgate. So ibig sabihin, ito yung part na yan. Happy and Colgate only. So dalawa daw. So lagyan natin ito ng 2. And then we have one used Colgate. Ayan, merong end. One used close up and Colgate. So meron siguro ulit yung only. Wala na namang only dun sa problem. Pero obvious naman, one use close up and Colgate. So intersection ng close up and Colgate. Ito yon. So dito natin ilalagay yung 1. Okay, and then we have 20 used only Colgate. So only Colgate, so ibig sabihin, ito yung part na yan. Meron kasing word na only, kaya ito lang yan. Okay, so dito natin ilalagay yung 20. Okay? So ngayon pwede na nating masagutan yung kanina, yung 18 use happy or close up. So i-assume na natin na ito yon, itong circle ng close up, ayan, tsaka yung happy. So matasagutan na natin kasi meron ng laman yung ibang area natin. Okay? So ibig sabihin, 18 daw yan. So i-add natin itong ilan ba lahat ito? So kailangan 18. So 6 plus 5, 11 plus another 5 ito, no? 6 plus 5, 11 plus 5, that is 16. So ibig sabihin, itong part na ito ay magiging 2. Okay? So dito ay 2. So ngayon, i-total natin. Kailangan ang total daw ay 54. So i-total natin lahat ito. So 18 na lahat ito plus 20, 48 lang. Eh sabi, walang nabanggit dito sa problem na merong 6 dapat na ayaw ng Colgate, close up, or happy. Tapos, ang dami nating mga problema sa survey, yung mga walang only. Kaya ang tanong, is the survey worth paying for? So siguro ang isasagot ko dito ay no. Kasi gawa nga nung ang daming mga sa problem na walang only, meron dapat nakalagay na only. Tapos, yun nga, kulang siya, 48 lang, eh ang total ng survey ay 54. So kaya siguro hindi masyadong hindi worth paying for itong survey na ito kasi parang maraming error. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan yung explanation ko sa problem na ito at kung meron po kayong math question ay i-comment nyo lang dito sa video na ito or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. So good luck po sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.